Steve's going to show Jacob how to pop a wheelie in the moped. Jacob's been trying. And, oh, Steve's flying. I hear him. Oh, God, he's going to die. Oh, now he went slow. Well, where's the pop a wheelie, Grandpa? The speed limit's 15. Are you going to do one or what?
Do what?
He's going to break his head. Where's your helmet? Your bad influence. Okay, really? Where is it? Oh, that Jacob's was better.
As he goes tumbling over back.
I know. You're going to have to take him to the hospital.
Hey, I actually got to ride one.
Steve, don't smash your melon.